If you're ready to experience truly predictive project management, you're in the right place. Welcome to LiquidPlanner. In this video, we'll start with some key concepts and then take a quick tour of your workspace. Let's start on the Projects tab, where you create and prioritize your projects. Your work is prioritized from top to bottom, so your highest priority initiatives are placed higher in the plan. Then, based on the priority order you've established here, LiquidPlanner calculates a realistic schedule for you. That's predictive project management. When priorities change, you can easily adjust the plan, and LiquidPlanner automatically recalculates the changes to your schedule. So that's an overview of the Projects tab. Let's tour the other tabs in your workspace. We'll jump to the Home tab. Here, you'll find an activity stream with recent updates and comments from around the entire workspace. The My Work tab is the go-to location for team members to view their upcoming tasks, track progress, and post updates to their work. The Timesheets tab is where you can see the hours you've logged this week. The People tab shows you the members in your workspace. The Dashboards tab is where you can build and view dynamic dashboards that communicate project information, status updates, and much more. And finally, the Analytics tab, where you can create dynamic custom reports across various plan items. So that's a quick overview of your LiquidPlanner workspace. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions along the way, and be sure to check out our Help tab for other LiquidPlanner learning resources.